This is a 2016 Haas ST-10. It's got a chip conveyor, tool presetter, parts catcher. It's got the manual hydraulic tailstock. We're just going to run a tool changes. Actually, chuck for a minute. Just 1,000 RPM. At 2,700, 3,000. Back to 1,000. Let's do a quick walk around. You can see the leveling pads there. This does have the extender for the spindle liners. There is some spindle liners that will come with this machine. It does have low hours. We've got pictures of the hours screen and the inside of the cabinet and the maintenance center here. It's on our floor in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Feel free to contact us at 616-916-5990. Hindley Machine Tool Sales.